Hey guys, we have another great product review. It's a smartphone video kit.
Ooh, alright, a smartphone video kit. Now this is something we could really use. Why don't you go ahead and unbox that?
Okay. Oh, look at the case.
Ooh, it comes in a case. Perfect. We're gonna be fighting over this.
We're gonna fight over this because I'm going to have it with my phone.
So it comes with this cool tripod.
A microphone.
And microphone.
Oh no, it's not it. This is supposed to be this first. And this stand for the phone.
Your phone holder.
Phone holder and microphone somewhere. And the fuzzy, what is it? For if you're outside.
Yeah, it's a windscreen. Microphone windscreen. All right. Let's tell you what. Let's grab our cell phone and we'll set it up. Okay, so we took a look at the instructions and we're ready to set up our iPhone on our Comica multifunction smartphone video kit. Now there are about, I think we got 4 different models. We have the CVM-VM10-K2. And okay, so let's take out our tripod. Now the tripod has a ball and socket joint, so you can move it forward or sideways. For now, we're going to put it right straight in the middle. Alright, so we are going to put our phone tripod adapter, our phone holder. I'm going to screw this right into the mini tripod. Okay, we have the phone holder mounted. Now we're going to put our iPhone. Got the iPhone 6, and this will extend to fit pretty much any iPhone or any phone, even with a case on it. Alright, now it should hold it nice and securely, tighten it down, and it's going nowhere. And like I said, we get the ball head, we could tilt it back, tilt it sideways. And if you're vlogging, you could tilt it right at your face. So for right now, I'm going to put it like this. And then we have our microphone. We have an indoor windscreen. This can come off. The microphone has a cardioid pattern, so it's going to pick up more of your voice and eliminate some of the background sound. So the audio will sound better than the microphone coming straight from your phone. Now we also have a windscreen for outdoors. A lot of people refer this as to the dead cat. But it's not dead. Anyways, if you're going to shoot any video outside, I would recommend putting on the windscreen for outdoors. It just slides right over the top there. And this is going to eliminate a lot of the wind you have outside. So for indoors, I'm just going to leave this one on. And the microphone has a little bit of a shock absorber here. It's going to absorb some of the bounce and noise. And we're going to stick it right on this cold shoe. Hold it securely in place. And we have this cable. One end goes on the microphone, the other end goes to your smartphone. And it's labeled. This gray side is for your smartphone. So I'm going to stick that into our headphone socket. This has a special input for the headphone adapter. And the other end into the Comica microphone. And the microphone does not take a battery. It's going to get its power from your smartphone. So now we're going to go ahead and power on the phone. We have our model standing by. Go ahead and turn on the phone.
It's on.
Okay, now we have the phone set up in selfie mode. Okay, we got our microphone attached to the phone, and we're going to test the audio with and without it. I want you to say, welcome to Annalise's Awesome Adventures. This is with the Comica microphone.
Welcome to Annalise's Awesome Adventures.
Okay, I'm going to unplug it now. Now this audio is coming straight from our iPhone 6.
Okay. Welcome to Annalise's Awesome Adventures.
Okay. And we're going to go back one more time to the Comica microphone.
Welcome to Annalise's Awesome Adventures.
And there you have it. Okay, now we're going to take the phone out of selfie mode. And this is cameraman mode, I call it. So now you're the cameraman, and you can use your phone with this setup. If you're outdoors shooting something, you use the tripod as a grip, a hand grip, and you have the great audio coming from the Comica microphone, and you can go around. If you're a YouTuber and you use your phone as your camera, this is just an added level of quality. Phones have great video quality these days, but you're not going to get good audio quality unless you attach a microphone. This is a very inexpensive way to increase the quality of your YouTube videos.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll put a link in the description below for the Comica video kit.